Mrs. Rachna Chhabra from Delhi. I have a question to ask. If we have already understood that spirituality is the way forward for us, can the planet still have a positive or a negative influence on us? If it is negative, how can spirituality help in turning the negative planets into positive? Kindly please answer my question. Thank you.
Rachna ji, very happy to learn that you are pursuing spirituality with great sincerity, and you have wanted to know whether the planets of this universe will continue affecting you positively and negatively even when you have adopted spirituality as a path. I have to tell you that the whole universe is being operated under certain universal laws. That is what has been called the Dhamma by Buddha, or Tao by Lao Tse, or Hukm by Nanak, and Rit by Vedas. It means it is in accordance with certain rules and laws that everything is happening in this world. And there is no discrimination of any kind being made by the nature. The fire will continue to burn. Whosoever puts his hand into the fire, the spiritual or the non-spiritual. The rivers of the water will continue to drown everybody. Whosoever jumps into the stream of the river, the spiritual or the non-spiritual. The planets will continue to play their role for everyone in the same way. Now the question arises, what is the extra benefit? What is the premium for a spiritual person? In fact, try to understand what spirituality means. Spirituality means being in a state of total acceptance. Once you are in a mode of total acceptance, the happenings of the universe and the movement of the planets will not be able to affect you adversely. What happens by pursuing spirituality, you find that pleasure and pain are disappearing from your life, that good and bad are disappearing from your life. This whole universe is composed of two opposites, yin and yang, male and female, positive and negative, day and night, pleasure and pain. And the truly spiritual person is one who has transcended the dualities of this life. Meditation helps you in transcending the dualities of life. And once you experience the state of transcendence, Lord Krishna says, Sukhe dukhe samo bhutva labha labhau jaya jev. In every situation, be it profit or loss, victory or defeat, pleasure or pain, you will continue to remain the same, being unaffected totally by the dualities. You will not become extraordinarily overjoyed when you receive a good news, and you will not get extraordinarily broken when you receive a bad news. And I want to tell you, once you achieve this status, you will gain the strength of such a great positivity that whatever you want to happen will start happening in your life. Whatever you want not to happen will stop happening from your life. Whatever you want not to happen will stop happening in your life. Ultimately, the planets will become your friends. The whole universe will become your friend, and you will become friend to everyone. You will become a joy for everyone, and everyone will become a joy for you. That is the way. Be it so. Thank you.